This is question 27 on your transformation study guide. It says congruent rectangles HJKL and H prime, J prime, K prime, and L prime are shown on the coordinate grid below. Describe a sequence of transformation that maps HJKL onto H prime, J prime, K prime, L prime. So we are starting here and going to the prime rectangle. First thing I notice is that my original rectangle is vertical and the newest rectangle that I'm trying to get to is sideways. So that tells me that I'm going to need to rotate because it's spun. So let's try rotating. We'll do 90 degrees clockwise to the right. So if I do that, this point, negative 4, 2, is going to become, it's going to go here. So this is going to be K, and then it's a 2 by 4 rectangle. So when I rotate 90 degrees clockwise, I end up here. And then this here, so this would be K, L, H, and J. Pay attention to the letters here. Notice K is on the inside and J is on the inside, while the L and H stay on the outside. So this is going to be a flip or a reflection over the x-axis. So remember, with these, you want to be as descriptive as possible. If you're rotating, how many degrees and which way, reflection over what line or axis, and then a translation, how far are you translating? There's many other ways you could do this too. For example, if I rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise, so the other way, my rectangle would be here, K, L, M, J, and then again I would reflect this time over the y-axis. So multiple answers to these. And a sequence means that I am going to need more than one transformation.